My name is Aryan. I'm studying in Mishrimal Nawashi Munot Jain Engineering College, pursuing my pre-final year in EC. I'm going to speak regarding mobile application development for Windows Phone 7. Basically, what is Windows Phone? Windows Phone is a Windows operating system designed by Microsoft either for smartphones or mobile devices. These Windows operating system is basically designed similar to that of the desktop of a usual Windows, and at present the current Windows version for more smartphones are 6.5 and above. Windows Phone 7, that is the 7th version, is not yet released, means the 7th version is going to launch by this coming October 2010, and this Windows 7th version has an application which is completely different and a completely upgraded version than its previous. Windows Phone 7 is codenamed as Photon, and with this Windows Phone 7, Microsoft has set a goal to create a compelling and predictable user experience of the user interface and not allowing its partner to modify the coding and etc. and many things. This Windows Phone 7 has many applications which is completely different and completely upgraded version of its previous, and they are really fabulous. I will list few of it because I wish to share with you. One is user interface. User interface is like nothing but an interaction of user with the operating system, and this new user interface is named as Metro. Let me explain you how the user interface is going on. Like, let us consider a home screen. This home screen is made up of many icons which can be named as tiles. These tiles may be either pictures, music, videos, or any application which a user keep on using. For example, I can take even a document. For example, if I want to plug or pin any particular document, I'll pin up on my home screen and it will be changed as a tiles. These tiles are completely dynamic. Next, apart from this, there are many other user interface applications, that is touchscreen. The touchscreen is more advanced with this multi-touch technology, and apart from it, the networking with the social networking sites, for example Facebook, Twitter and Windows Live. These three websites are easily interfaced with the help of Windows Phone 7. Next, let's come to the next application, which is completely designed keeping the gaming people on the mind, means the people who are completely crazy behind the gaming, that is Xbox Live. Xbox Live is an application by which Windows Phone 7 is creating an avatar which is in 3D version, and at present 3D is in complete craze. Many people are crazy behind 3D. We used to see many new movies, current movies in 3D format. This Windows Phone 7 is even the same thing. It's like Xbox, you can play a game in your mobile, in your